Hey everyone, what's going on? So I just got back from a big hike out here in Boston and I got asked by a follower what kind of pack I use. So instead of talking about it or just taking pictures, I'm gonna show you. So I'm in my hotel room right now and I have the REI Flash 18. I use this pack on the road mainly because it is a great travel pack. It can fit very easily in a carry-on bag, and when I'm on the road like I am, I travel with it, and I need it to fit in a carry-on without having a lot of metal or anything to support because it is a carry-on. So this is what I'm gonna put in it. This is what I'm putting in it. Sorry, hold on. Okay, as I open the pack here, I had 1 bottle of water. I had 2 bottles of water, and I had my hydration pack. I'm disconnecting now. So I used to use a Camelback, but now I carry the Osprey Hydraulics 3.0 liter, and that fits great in there. I also have a drying rack for it that you can get at any REI store as well, and that's great. This pack, as you can see how much it carries, 6 liters of water, which I ran out today and I needed. Also have my sunglasses just in case, never know how much shade I'll be in. Had a long sleeve shirt in there. And you're right, Marcia, you should carry a first aid kit. However, that is a little bit of a challenge on the road. So instead I take toilet paper from the hotel room just in case, don't use that today. My wallet, and more importantly, just a small battery pack for my phone in case I run out. Because I'm recording these trips and because I'm in different locations I may not be familiar with, I value having cell phone service, and if I'm in a foreign country, I always message people using my AllTrails app of where exactly I am. So that's it. That's what I have in the pack. At home I carry a different pack, and on Kilimanjaro I'm going to be using a different pack, but this is everything in the pack today. So hope you're having a great day and a great weekend. Thanks for following me, and stay tuned for more.